In this video, you'll learn how to connect your OKX wallet to Catizen. By following these steps, you will successfully link your wallet to the Catizen game, allowing you to participate in various activities within the game environment. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once the app is launched, navigate to the search bar and type in Catizen to locate the game bot. After finding the bot, tap on its name to enter the chat window. This will initiate your interaction with the Catizen game bot. Next, you will be presented with the main screen of the Catizen game bot. Here, look for the icons displayed prominently. Tap the airdrop or wallet icon to access the wallet connection options. This action will lead you to the next step in the connection process. After tapping the icon, you will see a prompt with several options related to wallet connectivity. Look for the button that says Connect Wallet and tap on it. This will initiate the process of linking your wallet to the game. At this point, a list of compatible wallets will appear on your screen. From this list, choose OKX Wallet by tapping on it. Selecting this option ensures that you are connecting the correct wallet to your Catizen account. Once you've selected OKX Wallet, the OKX app will open automatically. In the app, you will see a prompt asking you to confirm or approve the connection request. Tap Confirm or Approve to finalize the linking of your OKX wallet to Catizen. This step is crucial as it allows the game to access your wallet for transactions and activities. After confirming the connection, you should receive a notification indicating that your wallet has been successfully connected to Catizen. If you experience any issues during this process, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you have sufficient storage on your device for the OKX app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.